Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change your Ford Explorer password. Tap the touchscreen, open Settings, and choose Locks or Security to access password options. Keep the vehicle in park and the ignition on while you work through prompts. Have your key fob handy in case the system needs verification. I'll walk you step by step through selecting Change Password, entering a new 4 to 8-digit code, and confirming it securely. Pick a secure numeric code and avoid obvious sequences like 1234 or repeating digits. On the touchscreen, select Change Password, enter your new 4 to 8-digit code, and then confirm it exactly. Test the new code by locking and unlocking the vehicle to ensure it registers correctly. If your Explorer supports fingerprint or PIN backup, set that up as an alternate method to access the vehicle with convenience. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more car tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can really change how you think about money, and it's an easy read between service visits. I find it pairs well with practical maintenance routines and peace of mind budgeting. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you don't see password options, check for system updates via Settings or the Ford Pass app and restart the infotainment unit. Consult your owner manual for model-specific steps, as trim levels can vary menus and features. If the system still rejects valid entries or displays errors, contacting a dealership or certified technician is the safest route to avoid lockouts or voiding warranties. Keep proof of ownership available when you seek help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.